Hello everyone, we're on question 15 now of the IGCSE paper from 2018, paper 2. So it says the Venn diagram shows a universal set and the sets A, B and C. 7, 3, 8, 1, 4 and 9 represent the numbers of elements. Okay, so notice that keyword there, numbers. Find n, A union B. Okay, so when we have n there, it means the number of elements that are in A union B. So let's have a think about that then. So what have we got? So A union B, now let's think about what that region looks like. When we have the union symbol, it means that we kind of like add the bits that are in both A and B together, okay? So A union B would be this region that I'm shading here. So that's going to be the 7 elements there, the 3 elements there, the 8 elements there, and the 1 element there, okay? So that's going to be what's the region for our N, A, union B. And let's have a look and see what that is. So we've got 7, add 3, add 8, add 1. So that is going to be, there's 19 elements in there, okay? So that's our first one. Part 2, what have we got? The number of elements that is in not A intersection C. Okay, now, when you have the intersection symbol, which is the N, as opposed to the union, you're only allowed to include something if it's in both of those areas. So let's draw 2 separate little diagrams here to illustrate what we're talking about. So if I was to, first of all, say not A, okay, so here's my diagram with my 3 little circles, and there's A, and there's B, and there's C. So not A is literally everything that is not in A. Okay, so this region I'm shading here now, which is all of this, is not A. So not A is literally everything there like that. Okay, and then C is basically, if I shade the region C, so that is C. Now, when we have, so there's C. Now, when we have the intersection of not A and C, we're only allowed to have something, shade something in if it's shaded in both of those regions, okay? And you can see from those 2 separate sketches that the only region that's common to both of them is actually C itself, okay? So that's going to be our not A intersection C. It's going to be that region that I've shaded there, which is going to be the 1 from there and the 4 from there. So the number of elements that's in not A and intersection C is 5. All right, that's that one. Now, last one. Gosh, this last one looks super complicated, doesn't it? What have we got here? The number of elements that's in not A union not B. Wow. I think I quite like this little drawing 2 little sketches and sort of thinking about it. So first of all, I'm going to draw not A and then I'm going to draw not B. Okay. Right, so here we go, not A and not B. Oops, my sketch is a bit dodgy there, but not A, so there's our A, there's our B, there's our C, there's our A, there's our B, there's our C. Right, so not A is kind of like I did a moment ago in the previous part of this question. It's everything that is not in A, so all of this around here, like that. That's not A. Okay, not B. Okay, so not B, as you can imagine what's going to go on here. It's everything shaded except for B. Okay, so like literally all of this. So you can imagine there, everything is shaded except for B. Okay, make sure that's clear there. All right, so there we go. Now, let's have a look and think about this. Now, when you've got the union, it's like you've got 2 separate pieces of tracing paper and you kind of like layer them over each other, and you have to include the bit that's in both, as it were. So if I imagine, if I was to take that, if that was shaded on one piece of tracing paper and that was shaded on the other, and I superimpose them on top of each other, what I would get, oh my goodness, it's going to be more sketching. Here we go again. So I've got my A, I've got my B, I've got my C. So literally what we would get in that scenario, and I hope that this makes sense, you can see that everything would be shaded apart from this little bit here. So all of this is shaded, the whole thing, all the way up here like this, the whole thing shaded in. The only bit that's not is this little bit here, there. And why is that? Because here, look, we've got everything shaded except for A. Here we've got everything shaded except for B. So when we superimpose them on each other, from this one, that bit gets shaded in, okay? And then from this one, all of that bit gets shaded in. So the only bit that ends up not shaded is actually just that little teardrop shape bit there in the middle between A and B. And that is worth 3. So therefore, the number of elements that is in the union of not A and not B is everything in the question all added up except for the 3 in the middle. So it's going to be 7, add 8, add 1, add 4, add 9. We add all of that together and that comes to 29. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. If you're finding these videos helpful, do remember to subscribe to the channel because that's going to help me to make more videos moving forward. Perfect, and I'll see you in the next video.